I'm Harmony.
And I'm Gaviota Ramirez Gonzalez del Valle. What?
Today, we are making Mexican burritos.
I'm Colombian. Vegan burritos.
It's vegan.
Is what I said. Vegan.
For this recipe, you will need 1 onion, 2 avocados, 2 tomatoes, 3 cloves of garlic, a handful of mushrooms, a handful of spinach, corn, non-dairy cheese, plant-based veggie ground, and corn tortillas. The first step of this lovely recipe is to chop up some onion.
No. The first is champagne. Woo! Oh my. It's okay. Delicioso.
No.
Okay.
To begin, we will take a whole white onion, chop it and saute until it's translucent, and then add chopped mushrooms, garlic, and cook until golden brown.
Sorry.
Then we mash up an avocado to a creamy consistency and season to your liking. How do you say avocado in Spanish?
Aguacate.
Aguacate.
No. Aguacate.
Aguacate. Then we will add our plant-based veggie ground into the mixture and season to taste. Next, we're gonna chop up the tomatoes, gather up all the ingredients, spread some vegan mayo on the wraps, layer in all the toppings, wrap up, and enjoy.
Cheers. Cheers. Enjoy.